Aquaphalt's permanent asphalt patch is an ecologically friendly material for asphalt and concrete road surfaces. It's mostly used for restoring potholes, pavement damage, parking lots, utility cuts, tennis courts, walkways, bridge joints, manhole restorations, and driveways. It's easy to use and offers a lifelong repair. What's great about this asphalt repair patch is that it minimizes roadway disruption with no need for special preparations. You can just lay it directly from its container, no need to mobilize large crews or equipment. It's a pre-mix and one-time fix solution that's quick and easy to apply. The Aquaphalt Permanent Asphalt Repair contains no toxic solvents or VOCs, making it friendlier to the environment. It works great in both wet and cold weather conditions. You surely won't regret choosing Aquaphalt, as it's ranked #1 by Consumer Reports and backed by a 3-year warranty. Its unlimited curing guarantee assures you that it will surely serve its purpose. To make it more convenient for you, the brand also offers a limited extended warranty that guarantees no manufacturing defects for up to 36 months after application. We want to know what you think about our videos, so please don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. And now let's continue to the last 2 products on our list.